Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by invoking Circle Search immediately. Don't detour into settings. Place your finger on the screen and draw a clean circle around the content you want found. This defines the region to analyze. Once you release, the Tab S9 captures a snapshot of the circled area and starts local recognition. Make sure your circle encloses only the relevant area to avoid noisy results, because a well-framed selection speeds recognition and improves accuracy. After capture, you refine results by zooming and selecting the recognition mode. This changes how the Tab S9 interprets the circled content. For text-heavy areas, tap the text mode to enable OCR and editable selections. For objects or places, choose image or info modes to surface relevant links. Once done, swipe through suggestions to compare matches and use pinch gestures to crop more tightly if results are broad. This step reduces false positives and gets you to the correct item faster. Finish by confirming the best match and choosing an action. Copy text, open a link, or save an image. If results look wrong, try again with a cleaner capture. Better lighting and a tighter circle help the model focus. Make sure camera and storage permissions are enabled, because blocked permissions can break analysis. If problems persist, restart the app or reboot the Tab S9, and then re-attempt the capture. Doing so clears temporary glitches and usually restores normal circle search behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.